Hello and welcome to the weekly fundamental review with Gate Forex. This is for the week of October the 3rd to the 7th. This weekly fundamental review is brought to you by www.gateforex.com. Starting off on Monday, it is important to note that there is a bank holiday in Australia, China and in Germany. In fact, the bank holiday in China will last the whole week. So on Monday during the Asian session, liquidity may be reduced. Out of Japan, we will see the Tankan Manufacturing Index. Out of Switzerland, we will see retail sales data. And out of the UK and the USA is some forward-looking data, leading indicators, the manufacturing PMI from both nations. On Tuesday, in the Asian session, we will see business confidence from New Zealand, from Australia, building approvals and trade balance, and out of Australia, the official cash rate and the rate statement. Traders will be watching the rate statement closely to see if any rate cuts are likely or to see what kind of language the RBA uses. Out of the UK, we will see construction PMI, and what the market will be watching in Europe and early American trade is the speeches by Trichet and by Ben Bernanke. On Wednesday, retail sales data out of Australia, retail sales data out of Europe, and employment data out of the USA with the ADP non-farm employment data. This data is usually released a few days before the official government data. And out of the USA, non-manufacturing PMI data. On Thursday, it will be a busy day in the early European session at around lunchtime in Europe. Out of the UK, we will see the asset purchase facility, and traders will be watching to see if the Bank of England increases this facility to add liquidity into the market. Out of the UK, we will see the official bank rate and the rate statement, and out of Europe, the minimum bid rate and the press conference. On Friday, out of Japan, we will see monetary policy and the press conference later on in the Asian session. Out of the UK, PPI input data to see if there's any inflation pressures in the UK. Out of Canada, we will see employment change and unemployment data, and the market will be waiting for the non-farm employment change data out of the USA to finish off trading on Friday. Also the unemployment rate, which is expected to remain the same at 9.1%. Around the world, the focus will continue to be on Europe. This weekly fundamental review was brought to you by Gate Forex, your gate to Forex. www.gateforex.com